Hi everybody, and welcome to my animal welfare website. This is the second website that I've created for this class. It is obviously, again, about animals. I decided to use some similar content, although change a lot of the visibility and visual aesthetics of the site itself. The 3 pages maintain a little bit of similar content from the previous website, although I decided, again, to switch up some of the words in the paragraphs. I chose this page to screencast because I liked the concept of being able to use the right sidebar and implementing an image within that right sidebar. I used my professional photography Instagram handle as a lead on the sidebar page. Hopefully I will be able to soon learn how to hyperlink an image instead of a link, where I've pasted above here. Obviously the image itself is not a link, it's just a screenshot of my Instagram page. And in addition, as I've noted before on my previous websites, all images on my website are taken by me, and I think that that's something that I am excited to use within my website, is my own personal and edited content that is taken from my Flickr account, and as well as other website accounts that I have a profile on. There are other links that I've linked in here from my previous website as well, just those that I've admired over the time that I've worked with animal welfare organizations. And on other pages there's a similar layout with a right sidebar as well, with a different color as noted, and some other tips and content to use for reference. And I hope you enjoy.